Sis, when I tell you, I have been loving rocking my natural hair. When I say it's carefree, it's beautiful, it's bouncy, it's just giving me life. And as you can see here, it's growing right out of my scalp, okay? And today, I just want to show you how we got here, okay? So just sit back and enjoy the ride. Okay, family, so it all started out when I was minding my natural hair business, and Her Given Hair contacted me talking about they want to work with me. And I said, what could you possibly have for me right now? I am in my natural hair era. I'm on a hair journey with my family, and we are just trying to grow this hair back. And they said, Mercy, we got you. We got something for you. So I said, okay, bring it on. And this is the box, y'all. And I realized I had it upside down. But good thing I caught it early. Anyway, this is the box. This is from Her Given Hair. Let me tell you one thing about Her Given Hair. First of all, I have worked with them a lot. In my opinion, they have one of the best quality natural hair, and they can match your hair texture almost to the T every single time. So I love them. And if you have followed this channel for a while, you have seen me work with them a lot. Anyway, so we finally got to our hair, and this is our unit. This is the unit we're going to be installing today. This is a half wig, and you can wear this in multiple different ways, and I'll be showing you that here. So the hair quality is always top. I love their hair. It's always so good. All right, so this is some of the simple things that I need to show you. It has this big comb here, which is very important if you're going to wear it as a half wig. Also has another comb here on the side, both sides actually, and then it has another big comb in the back, and then it has the two elastic bands that hook together. So with a wig like this, you don't even need to leave your hair out, but if you're going to leave some of your hair out, you just need a tiny little bit, as you see here. This is the protective wig that's not only going to protect your hair, but it's also going to look like your real hair. Again, here is that big comb. I'm going to show you how I'm going to install this wig, okay? So what I did was I have all of my hair bunched up, as you saw there earlier. I only left a little bit of hair out. So anyway, this is the back of the wig and the back of my head. I'm using the other big hook or comb to hook it into my hair as well, and then I'm doing both sides, just making sure to secure it. And then you can use the elastic band to make it even more secure, or you can just leave it as is. As I said, this hair can be worn as a ponytail. It can be used as a half wig. It can also be used as a headband wig. So as you saw before, I did leave a tiny little bit of my hair out, so I'm gonna start the blending process right now. This is quick and simple, and I'm gonna show you that. All right, family, I'm trying out this first style. This is an easy style. As you can see, I have some of my hair out. I haven't even blended it, and it looks really nice. This wig is the perfect winter wig because, again, you can style it any way you want. You can style it as a ponytail, protect your hair that way. You can style it as a half wig. You can style it as a partial wig. You can do whatever you want with it. So see here, it already looks like I've done so much to it, and I haven't even done anything. It looks full, it looks healthy, but most importantly, it looks like my real hair. Anyway, let's do our first hairstyle here. I'm gonna do a middle part, and I'm gonna be using my Eco Styler gel and my toothbrush to just lay down the front of my hair, lay down the baby hairs, and then you'll see what I'm going to do with my actual hair that I left out. Again, you don't really have to leave a lot of hair out, and the hair is so simple that you don't really need a lot of product. You'll see here that I'm only using water and mousse. The mousse is to really contain the curls and to give it that wet and wavy look. Well, not wet and wavy, just that wet look. And once you spray the hair, y'all, you can actually comb through it. Again, Her Given Hair has, in my opinion, the best human texture hair. Look at that. Look how easily I can comb through that. Look at that. Okay, so this side, look how bouncy. I'm just spraying it down with water. You can put mousse or a conditioner for hair in this. So once I do that, I'm able to comb through it, and it feels like your natural hair, y'all. Look at that. Now look at that. This side and this side. And now I can just blend my natural hair in. Look at that. Look how natural this look, y'all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a portion of my own hair and twist it, spray it with a little bit of water, spray it with the mousse and twist it with my hair, and then tie it down and let it sit for a little bit. And then I'm going to come back and take it out. All right, family, we are back. I gave it about 10 minutes. I am going out this evening, so I'm kind of in a rush and I cannot wait. I'm kind of anxious to see the final result of this hair. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It already looks like a style, y'all. It already looks like a style by itself, but you can see that the water and the mousse has really set into the hair and it looks so good. It looks really, really good. Again, you can leave as much hair out with this hair as you want or as little as you want. Look how beautifully my hair blended with that hair. This is the secret, y'all. You have to blend your hair in with the actual wig by either using a leave-in conditioner or mousse like I did here. And oh my goodness, look how beautiful that is. So let's do this side. Look at that. Look at that. This is a half wig. So it's not a hairband wig, although you can wear it as a hairband wig, as you see here. You can wear it as that. You can also wear this as a ponytail. You can do this as a slick back ponytail. I've seen a lot of people wear this wig where they'll leave the whole perimeter of their hair out and it looks so good. You can do like a half up, half down style, or this is a half up, half down style. But as I said, I'm going out and I really want to have this like elegant, effortless look. So I did a middle part and that's the style I'm going to be going with. And that's my favorite way to wear it, either with a side part or a middle part. Yeah, I just like it better that way. But look at the hair, y'all. You can do any style you want with this hair. Look how beautiful. This, I have to say, this is one of my favorites. This is definitely one of my favorites. But yeah, you can style the hair anyhow you want and it just works out. This is the perfect wig for the winter time. This is also the very, very best wig for if you want to do versatile style. You can wear it as a headband wig with your different headband that matches your outfit. You can wear it as a middle part. You can leave a lot of hair out. You can leave a little bit of hair out. It's all up to you, y'all. The great thing about the hair is that the wig itself is priceless. Like, it's quality hair, so you'll have this for a while. So if you are interested in this hair, check out the description box. I'll leave the link to everything down below. I'll also leave all of the information down below. And I'll also leave a discount code to help you all purchase the hair. All right, family? Thank you all again so much for watching. I love you all. And I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.